What's up, everyone? Welcome back again to my channel, Remaking Foods, a channel of recipes, a channel of African traditional recipes, modern recipes, recipe, breakfast ideas, travel and events. If you're new in this channel, please view my videos, comment, and if you love them, kindly give it a like and share as much as possible with your friends or with your available platforms so that you can promote or help me grow this channel. So guys, today I'm back with an African recipe, and I'm going to share with you on how to make ghee recipe at home. How to make African ghee recipe. Ghee recipe is a very important valuable recipe because as for us here in Africa, we use it in so many ways. We use it for cooking. We use it as a flavor, especially in Kenya. We use it as a flavor. It adds flavors to recipes. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, for you to make a perfect ghee, natural ghee, we'll need some milk. So this is milk that I've just boiled. It was a fresh milk. And then I also have here some buttermilk here that I've kept for 2 days. And here I also have buttercream that I've been preserving for now 3 days. So what happens is this: every day, when I'm making my tea. Before I make my tea, I boil milk and then I sieve it and keep it this way. So this is a buttercream that I've been keeping. And then for it to be safe, again, for it to be safe, you have to do what? You have to keep it inside the freezer so that it doesn't go bad. You can see, guys. So this is how I've been storing my buttercream. And then for this one here, this is fresh milk. I did not boil it, and I've kept it for 2 days. So this is buttermilk. See, so this is buttermilk that I've kept for 2 days. So it's around 500 ml. So guys, kindly watch this video and see how we make pure ghee or African ghee, or how you can make your ghee from home. So you have to make sure you keep the milk cream and also the butter cream. So stay tuned. Guys, first here we'll start by mixing or blending this milk cream. So now traditionally, if they don't have blender, or if you don't have blender, you can put it in either they used to use some calabash. I don't know, in my language we call it core. And if you don't have that core, you can use a jerry can or some container like mineral water container, just to ensure that you mix it well. So I'm going to blend this milk. The reason why I'm blending this milk cream, so that the cream can come on top, so that I can also sieve it. So stay tuned. So guys, after doing this, you will find that just from outside you can see. Now the cream is trying to settle up. I will give it just a few minutes and you'll see cream settling up and the milk remaining down. So this is one way of getting that cream, so that we can melt it to become from solid to liquid. So stay tuned. Still waiting for our cream to settle from the other side. I'm going to have just put my gloves. You can use your free hands if you feel comfortable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remember this, guys. This cream was in the fridge for almost 3-4 days. So I have to remove it first. And then in Kenya, when you're making this ghee, you can also make another special traditional recipe out of it called alenya. For those who come from my community, you know about alenya. So here I'm going to So from this, we are going to melt it. So we are just waiting for the other cream, which we are waiting to settle. And then from here, we are going to melt this. And guys, from here, we are going to obtain two recipes. We are going to get the ghee, and we are going to get a very special recipe that you'll just see. Kindly watch this until the end. Look at the cream. So guys, look at this. All this is cream. All this is cream. We're going to start melting it. So stay tuned. I've placed my pan. This is where I'm going to melt my buttercream. So we'll have to let it heat first so that it is hot. We are going to pour in the buttercream. Once you pour it, you have to keep stirring so that it doesn't stick. So guys, if you're watching this video, kindly comment there and tell me how you make your homemade ghee in your country. So as you can see, it's getting more thicker and thicker, and it's melting also. So guys, you have to keep on stirring so that it doesn't stick. You can see when the color has changed now to yellow. Look at this, is oil now. You can see the yellow. This is oil is separating itself from milk. So guys, this is ghee production of making ghee, African ghee from home. You can see now the oil is coming out. So guys, at this time now you should reduce the heat so that it doesn't stick, because we also want this another recipe here also called niende. So you see this. Hey guys, it really has the ghee aroma. It's now there. Hey, whoa, aromatic flavor is now coming. I've reduced the heat now, guys. So guys, you can see the foam is forming here. Milk is now settling down, and the milk which is settling down is what is going to give me that recipe called niende. So guys, once it's settled, you'll see oil settling aside and niende also aside. So guys, I've just reduced the heat so that the foam can go down, and but you can see oil is here. This is the ghee now, and these white substances, this is part of milk which is there. This is the one which is going to form that recipe that I'm telling you called niende. So let's continue. I'll continue stirring so that the white substance will turn brown. So once they turn brown, that is the recipe. So stay tuned still. You can now look at the color. It has turned brown, and from here now, this is the niende. The white substance which was there, which was whitish, has turned to brown. Now this here, they are settled here, you can see here, this is the recipe called niende. And in here we have our ghee. Once this form has reduced, we'll see the ghee. So I'll just let it settle so that I will separate the niende and the ghee. So kindly watch this video until the end, like it, comment, tell me how you do it in your country, and kindly try it out. So look at this. This is my ghee now. You might wonder why it's brown. This is the recipe that I wanted. Look at this now. And the oil is also there. So I'll just let it settle, and the oil will separate itself, or the ghee will separate itself from the recipe. I'll transfer it here. So guys, this is called niende. It's a Kenyan recipe which is very much valued, especially a traditional way. So this is my ghee, guys. This is how we make African ghee. It's only that my buttercream was not so much. That's why it has come. But if you want, the more you have the buttercream, the more you'll obtain this. So this one here in Kenya, we use it for flavoring foods, like traditional foods like dried meat, or we also use this oil also. We can also use it to cook like things like rice. Guys, if you taste rice cooked from this ghee, you will really love this. So traditionally in Kenya, they never used to use vegetable oil. This is the oil that they used for cooking, and it was really really flavorful and tasty. So kindly try it out. Comment down there and tell me how you do it in your country. Give it a like. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. So guys, this recipe, it's eaten with ugali. Those who are coming from my community, I know you know the value of this. Comment. Thank you. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. So guys, look at this ghee. You can easily make ghee from home. You can use ghee from home. You can make niende from home. Very very tasty with ugali. So thank you so much for watching this.